Welcome lovelies, welcome on board for our new sequence of Essentielle Élégance. What did I bring with me today on this journey, on this beautiful yacht along the Douro River? I have bring several items with me which I will show you, and as a basket, all the primaries that I will use for my skin, which is very important to hydrate and to make sure that your skin stays glow, nice and not dry. So I hope that you will enjoy this new series, this new episode, volume of Essentielle Élégance.